because the Main Street stores get absolutely flooded right before closing, I'm going to check it out now to avoid the giant crowds that usually happen at closing time. And they got lots of 50th merchandise here. Oh, look at the beautiful castle. They have these poster calendars. They're limiting 2 per guest. So this is a really cool spirit jersey. I absolutely love this. It has a nice detail graphic of the castle on back, and it's not like that weird material. This print is like one with the shirt. It's not like a funky, I don't know what you call it, like laminated. I know that's not the right word, but it has like the shiny and it feels funny. This is not. This is soft and nice, and I love it, but for $85, I would never spend $85 on a shirt, although it's beautiful. If it goes on sale, I'd probably buy it. Oh, look how cute the little 50th anniversary onesie is. Oh. And have a cute little bow for the little ones. And they have a special 50th anniversary doll, which is the Cinderella doll. And as you guys may know, the castle here at Disney World is the Cinderella castle, so hence the Cinderella doll. This is the gnarliest keychain I have ever seen. This thing is heavy. There is some weight on this thing. Not only that, it's like 4 keychains in one. I don't know. I don't know what you would use that for. Maybe hanging on your wall? I don't know. This soap is pretty cool though. I'm kind of into this soap. I wonder what the scent of it is. But when you dispense it onto your hand, it goes in the shape of a Mickey. Just thought that was really cute. And it's foam.
I was in here taking some pictures of the 50th anniversary stuff, and then I saw the cavalcade going by. And it's the most important cavalcade of all, with, you know, Mickey and Minnie and Chip and Dale, so I had to go check that out. But I'm back in the store now, so let's finish checking out a couple things here. By the way, I just noticed that all of these spirit jerseys right here are extra smalls. So obviously they're very popular, and they only have extra smalls at the moment. This is my favorite sweatshirt in the whole place. This is amazing. This is Oliver from Oliver & Company. And I used to have an orange cat, so but yeah, I can relate to this sweatshirt. And I really like this retro style Walt Disney World shirt too. Let's see, but it is $37. That's just a lot for a t-shirt. Oh my gosh, the cavalcades are just rolling through. Let's see who we have now. Oh, it's the princesses.
See the world tonight.
didn't know there were seagulls in space. Space seagulls. Oh, I love the music of Tomorrowland. My favorite music in any land. Space rocks. We don't have space rocks at Disneyland. I love it. Ah, people mover. We must go on the people mover. Alright. I'm almost done. Alright, now we're picking up speed.
Places you
This is
want to be
great.
sure to enjoy while visiting this land of tomorrow. The people mover is the perfect vehicle for people watching. So keep your eyes peeled. You never know what you might see.
May I have your attention?
Uh-oh.
Please remain seated.
Oh,
This
we
ride
stopped.
has stopped
Oh,
temporarily
we're going backwards
and
a
will
little bit.
resume motion at any time. Please remain seated for your
Okay.
own safety. Thank you.
Alright. Well, at least I get to sit for longer. Alright, we just started moving again. Nice shot of the castle right there. What's this? What are we going into?
And now, the Tomorrowland Transit Authority proudly presents Progress City, Walt Disney's dream for an experimental prototype community of tomorrow. Progress City was the inspiration for Epcot, and many of its forward-thinking ideas have been realized throughout Walt Disney. If your future includes shopping, then you'll want to visit Star Traders, where you'll find the greatest goods from around the galaxy. At the Tomorrowland Speedway, put the pedal to the metal and speed towards the checkered flag in your very own race car. Young or old, this is your chance to drive in the fast lane without worrying about getting a speeding ticket.
We get a good view of the Tron. Oh look, they're working. They're working on it. I can't wait for that to open.
May I have your attention? Please remain seated.
Oh, we're stopping again.
This ride has stopped temporarily and will resume motion at any time.
Well, we didn't stop at a bad spot. I guess I could just check out the Tron coaster. That's nice. Look at this part over here where you just like dip out of the building. Oh, man, that's gonna be so fun. I am way too excited about this. I wouldn't say too excited. I'm the right amount of excitement about this. I wonder what's in that box that they're moving right there. Wall. Ooh, Space Mountain.
We're entering one of the real wonders of our world, Space Mountain. Blast off on a high-speed outer space adventure and careen through the cosmos.
Oh, I thought we were turning right there. That was it's so dark in here. It tricked me.
Mr. Johnson in the control tower to confirm your flight to the moon.
There's the robot dog we saw earlier. The robot dog. Robo-dog. Ooh, you can hear the rumbling of the Space Mountain roller coaster. I literally can't see. I know you guys definitely can't see anything, but I'm physically here and I can't see anything. This is awesome.
Eventually.
There's Space Mountain in there. You guys can't really see it though.
resume motion at any time.
This is literally the third time we have stopped on this ride. That's amazing.
Thank you.
This is the least exciting stop that we've had so far. We're just in a hallway.
Welcome back to Tomorrowland. Be sure to visit Space Mountain while you're here for an adventure that's out of this world.
The ghost train. Woo! I'm sorry, I know this is like the cheesiest music known to man, but I love it. I don't know why.
Your own
I can't
spacecraft.
explain
You
it.
take a spin around the planet and ascend to otherworldly heights. We're now approaching Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress. Inside this rotating theater, 4 families welcome you into their homes of yesterday and today, starting way back
Oh,
at the
there's the
turn of the
contemporary resort behind those trees. You couldn't really see it too good.
First
Alright,
presented
Carousel
at the New
Progress.
York World's Fair. This legendary circular theater celebrates the progress that has made our lives better. It's a perfect reminder that there's always a great, big, beautiful tomorrow shining at the end of every day.
Is that Cynthia from Rugrats?
Calling all Space Rangers, this is Buzz Lightyear. Report to your Star Cruiser and join me on this daring space mission. Against the evil Emperor.
As an honorary space ranger, you use your own personal ways of life to save the entire galaxy.
Oh my. Castle again.
This time it's laughter they're after at Monsters Incorporated. So drop in and join Mike Wazowski and all his pals at Monsters Incorporated Laugh Floor. Stand apart.
Yeah, very good. Keep it moving. We're on a tight schedule here.
As we approach the Tomorrowland Transit Authority station, our Grand Circle tour is coming to an end, but not to a stop, because this transportation system never stops. Thank you for joining us on the Tomorrowland Transit Authority People Mover. It's been a pleasure to have you aboard. Enjoy the rest of your day and have a great
Alright,
week.
so we're done. I actually might insert this as a full POV in my video
Please keep your arms away from the
because I love watching POVs, and I think that went okay, except for the stopping 3 times. I'll edit those out for you guys.
Please keep caution. Exit by stepping away from the car. Please keep your arms away from the doors. Remain seated until the door.
Alright, yeah, I think I might insert that as a full POV so you guys can get the full experience. I'll cut out, like I said, the times that we stopped, but I love the People Mover because we don't have ours anymore at Disneyland. It makes me so sad. I wish they would do something with that track though. Yeah, maybe not rocket rods again, but maybe they should find a way to bring back our People Mover.
There's the Beast Castle. Well, I guess now it's Beast and Belle's Castle, right? But this is actually a restaurant. This is the Be Our Guest restaurant. And I'd rather do it with someone because it is $62 a person to eat here for a 3-course meal. So maybe I'll do this when I'm not all by myself. But one day, this is definitely on my bucket list. And in Gaston's Tavern, they have brew, pastries, snacks, and beverages. Oh, this is very nicely themed in here. I like it. I've actually never been in here before. Here, let's check out the little indoor eating area right here. It's got a nice fireplace ambiance. There's Gaston's portrait right there. And there's Gaston's chair. He's got antlers. Antlers everywhere. Antler chandelier. Look at that antler chandelier. Oh my gosh. That cinnamon roll looks really good, but I think it might be too big for just me. I might need to share it with someone. But there's LeFou's Brew, and you can get it served in a souvenir stein. And the LeFou's Brew is frozen Minute Maid apple juice with a hint of toasted marshmallow topped with fruit-flavored foam. That sounds really good, actually. So right now I'm in a little section of Fantasyland called Storybook Circus, where they have Dumbo, they have the Barnstormer, and they have a little splash pad right here. And I've actually never been on the Barnstormer before because, I mean, it's kind of a, I guess, a kiddie roller coaster, but what the hey? Try new things, right? Let's do the Barnstormer. Well, first, actually, I'm going to see how long the line is. We'll go by that.
Thank you.
Ooh, it's 45 minutes. I don't know about that one. Maybe I should have bought in the lightning lane. Goes to show it doesn't matter what day of the week or what time of year you go anymore, because it's a Tuesday and it's the middle of February and this place is so packed right now.
Have you ever tried the gray stuff?
It's delicious.
Oh, it's delicious.
Oh, look, Belle's out.
You can ask the dishes. They know all about the gray stuff. I know it's good for dipping things in too, so perhaps we can dip that into gray stuff. What do you think? It's rather sweet after all.
Oh man, I really want to ride the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, but 120-minute wait? It's pretty darn long. I wonder how long the lightning lane is right now. I'm gonna ask them real quick. Okay, so I talked to the guest experience team. Okay, so I just talked to guest experience team and they were really great and informational. But it is 4:15 p.m. and she said we don't suggest getting one this late because I didn't realize that it is a reservation system. I'm just really stubborn. I don't want to wait 2 hours. I totally could wait 2 hours. I don't know. Maybe later. Alright, it went down to 105 from 120, so I'm gonna do it. And I'll let you guys know exactly how long it actually took to get through this line.
Yes, it was a long wait for the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, but it was worth it, and it was about pretty true to the quote that they gave us. It was almost 2 hours, but what made the time go by was this young man from Melbourne, Australia, named Caleb, and I'll tell you a little bit about him right now. I'm going to find a good place to stop walking. Look, there's a Rapunzel's, where is it? Rapunzel's tower right there, the tippy top of her tower. But I just wanted to say, one of the things that made the line go a lot faster for me was I met a young man named Caleb, and he actually has his own YouTube channel. I should have had him introduce his channel to you guys before we split up, but his channel name is Indyoda. So it's Indyoda, and he was amazing, he was awesome. And you guys should go check out his channel. He does reactions to shows and movies that he likes. For example, The Mandalorian, which I know you are all watching right now. My friends and family are definitely Star Wars and Indiana Jones fans. So you guys should all go check it out. It's Indyoda, Indyoda. It's a combination of Indiana Jones and Star Wars, two of his favorite things. So thank you, Caleb, for keeping me company in line. Oh, sorry, I hope you guys can hear me okay. I had my mask on in that last clip. I just, honestly, you have to wear it indoors here. I honestly just forget about it. Like, it doesn't bother me at all. So I probably had it on most of the day. Didn't even notice it. Haunted Mansion, 55 minutes. I don't know if I'll be able to make Haunted Mansion today. So what I want to make sure I do today is ride Splash Mountain, because I thought it was going to be closed, like I stated earlier. I haven't seen the railroad go by once since I've been in line. I think it's not open. Oh, I didn't know it was 50-foot plunge. It's a pretty big plunge. Oh no, they closed indefinitely. I won't get to ride it. I'm so sad.
Please talk to the nearest cast member so they can help you.
Okay, so at first they didn't say they were going to do anything for us for waiting 2 hours and not getting on Splash Mountain. But as we were leaving, they said that they would give us a lightning lane to go to any ride except for Space Mountain, Mine Train, Jungle Cruise, or Peter Pan. We can go in a lightning lane for any other ride, so let's see what we can do. It's already 7 o'clock, or actually it's after 7, so choices might be limited. So it's pretty hilarious how that works, because there's no other ride that I would really want to go on, because Big Thunder's down. I would ride Space Mountain again because I love it, but that's not an option. I haven't ridden Peter Pan and I really want to, but that one was also not an option. So I'm not really sure which thing to go on except for Haunted Mansion or Winnie the Pooh. I don't know. I just had to pick one. I'm gonna do Winnie the Pooh. Not my first choice. And of course they give you the ones that are not the longer lines, I guess. But alright, let's just go do Winnie the Pooh. And we'll be happy about it. Okay, so Winnie the Pooh is at 35 minutes and the lightning lane should get us right on. We'll see. So we are in the line for Winnie the Pooh. It's 7:30. We'll see how long it takes. The lightning lane actually looks pretty long. I mean, the ride's over there and there's a bunch of people ahead of me here. So, and I know we have to curve around that way at some point. So we'll see. It almost seems like it might be almost the same amount of time as the regular line. So, c'est la vie though, right? That's life.
If you ask me, he'll never reach that point.
Why me? Why me? Oh dear. Hang on tightly, Roo. Look, Mama, look. I'm right.
And what was I? Oh, yes. I was saying, come bounce with me.
feel honey. Honey.
I got the 50th anniversary celebration sugar cookie from the confectionery down there at the corner of Main Street. It looked much more presentable in the case. They have like the models in the display, and then they gave me this, which looks, you know, similar to the one in the display case, but just kind of thrown together. But I'm sure it still tastes delicious. So it may not look as nice as it should have, but it tastes delicious. It's really soft, which is exactly what I look for in a cookie pie. It gets A+ for taste, D- for presentation.